channel. I'm Dia and today I'm back with another video. It's a little different than my other videos. It's a haul video. Also, don't mind the lighting. The sun keeps coming and going, so sun, just make up your mind. Okay, but in this video I will be showing you guys what I got from a thrift store I visited a couple days ago. And also, it's kind of like a come thrift with me type of situation. I'm not that good at vlogging. I will get there, I promise. But just enjoy a little voiceover moment, and then I will show you guys what I got. So, without talking any further, let's go thrifting. So our first stop is Value Village, and we did check out multiple locations, so don't be discouraged if you go to one and you don't find something. Always make sure you check out other locations as well. I love checking out the basket section in thrift stores just because they usually have really nice wicker baskets, and wicker baskets are so trending right now and they're so cheap at the thrift stores. My second favorite thing to check out are frames at thrift stores, because honestly you can find really nice and large frames at the thrift stores for such a good price. You can also find really nice gold and vintage frames at the thrift stores for a really affordable price. But don't be discouraged if you don't like the prints, because you can always just change it up. These frames that I found are so pretty, and they're fully glass and very heavy duty, so definitely check out thrift stores if you're in need of some nice frames. I also love checking the lamp section, because a lot of the times you can find something really nice and vintage for your home. They are very cheap compared to any other home decor store, so definitely check out the lamps as well. So our next stop is the Salvation Army thrift store. Again, I visited a few different locations, so I'm just gonna put the different clips together. I love checking at candle stands at thrift stores, because sometimes you can actually find really nice candle stands for a really affordable price. Also, you guys, I usually always walk past the furniture aisle because I never find something nice, but definitely always just check it out, because sometimes you can get really lucky. I also absolutely love checking their glassware section, because you can always find really nice vases and jars and just containers in general for organizational purposes. You can use these jars for your bathroom storage, to store cotton pads, or you can even use them in your pantry. So yeah, definitely check it out. Are you guys excited for my haul? So I'm super excited to show you guys what I got. I kind of want to go kind of in like least exciting to most exciting in my opinion. So I'm gonna go quickly over the least exciting items, just because I don't want to talk too much about these things. So the first thing that I got was a lampshade. Now, the reason why I got a lampshade is because I have a lamp already, but the shade is just like a black and gray shade, and I kind of wanted something white. So I thought that instead of buying a new lamp, I would just buy a new lampshade, and this was only $2. So again, a super good deal instead of buying a lamp. The next thing that I got is this jewelry rack slash stand thingy. I will insert a better clip here, but this is actually super nice. It has 3 sections for your jewelries, and has a nice little tray attached to it here as well, so you can just put a little like few rings and things like that here. This was $6. Again, a super good deal for something like this. The next item that I got was this candle stand. So this is a gold candle stand. I think it's super pretty and super modern looking. I'm definitely gonna see something like this in HomeSense for sure. And it's actually pretty heavy too. This was $3, so literally cheaper than Dollarama these days. And I just think this candle stand is so pretty. And I am doing a room makeover soon, so pretty much everything that I bought in this haul are all gonna be used in the room makeover. I'll try my best to use pretty much everything, but bought this keeping in mind that I will be using this in my upcoming room makeover. So again, for $3, pretty nice. Next thing that I got are these coasters. So I did not get 4 but got 3, so here it is. As you can see, it's like marble and like a wood pattern. I'll insert better clips, but they were 99 cents. So really good deal for these 3 coasters. And they're just so cute. Next thing that I got is this vase or vase, however you guys say it. Honestly, like, I'm not really quite sure what this is, but super cute, super cool, and the colors of this goes really well with my living room setup right now. So got this. This was $6. So again, a really good deal on this. But yeah, this is so cute. So the next thing that I got is this throw blanket. As you can see, it's a really pretty, really nice white throw blanket. It has like those like knitted design. And this is actually brand new and super cute. This was $10. I do think $10 is a little more expensive for a thrift store, but then again, I'm not gonna find a similar throw blanket for $10 anywhere else, so I just had to get it. As you can see, it's so cute. Super cute. Okay, so the next thing that I got is more of a bigger item. So I got this really big laundry basket. Now I'll show you guys a better clip, but I really would recommend checking out baskets from thrift store because they always have really nice selection of baskets. A lot of the times their baskets do look more like Easter baskets, so you really kind of have to dig your way through them, look around, but I thought this was a really nice wicker basket. And as you guys know, wicker is really trendy right now. I'm pretty sure a basket like this in HomeSense or any other home decor store would be over $30 for sure. So this was $10. Again, a super nice basket for $10 in my opinion is a really good deal. The next item that I got is probably by far my favorite find at a thrift store. Now, a lot of people will disagree with me just because when I bought this, I had something very specific in mind. So it's really big, so I'm just going to insert a clip right here. Can't really pick it up myself. So it's a stool or like an ottoman, whatever you want to call it. And I thought this was such a good find for only $6. Like, seriously, an ottoman like this for $6? Come on, like, take my money. I'm gonna buy this. So, as I mentioned, that not a lot of people will agree with me just because, like, it is a more of like an old school looking ottoman. I personally think that the ottoman, just the way it is pretty nice. If you have like that kind of aesthetic, it will look so cute in your room. It kind of goes really nicely in my living room, but I did have other plans for it. So that will be another YouTube video, hopefully soon. I do want to kind of give it a makeover, upcycle it, and make it look more modern. So I'm really hoping that I'm able to do that because I've actually never really like reupholstered like furniture and things like that before. So I'm really hoping that works out. But for $6, you guys, I think that is the best thing that I found at a thrift store. Okay, so the next thing that I got is a frame. Now, please disregard the print that is inside the frame. I solely got this frame for the frame itself. I would highly recommend buying frames from a thrift store because frames are so expensive. Like, a frame this size is actually going to cost you a lot of money. And I got this frame for $6.99, so I think this is a really good deal for a frame this size. So if you are looking for really big frames, then definitely check out thrift stores because they have really nice frames. And also, like, just any type of frames in general, you're going to find a nice variety of frames at thrift stores. Also, don't be like discouraged when you see like ugly prints inside frames. A lot of the times you can just take them out and put in your own print. That's what I'm going to be doing with this frame right here. So always just keep an open mind. Don't just see things the way it is. Try to like do your own DIY and make them look even better. So now I have like 4 more things left to show you guys, and these are probably like my favorite things so far. I'm just too excited. So the first thing that I want to show you guys is like 2 plants that I got. Now I love fake plants because I can't keep a real plant alive for the life of me. So fake plants is the way to go. And fake plants or plants in general just like make your space look so much better, like literally 10 times better. So definitely check out thrift stores if you are looking for fake plants, because a lot of the time they will have really nice ones. So they are pretty big, so I'm just gonna insert a clip here. So this is the first plant. Just look at this, guys. You guys, like, this is so pretty. It's a really huge plant, and guess how much I got it for? I got it for $20. So again, it is a little more on the expensive side compared to a thrift store, but I believe that $20 for this plant is a really good price, just because a plant like this would cost you a lot more. I'm going to try to find something similar on like an actual home decor store so you guys can compare the pricing and see how much cheaper I got this for. But I really like this plant. I think this plant is going to just make your space look that much better. Okay, so the next thing I got, as you can see, is this really nice plant. I really love this plant. My sister actually found it. She has a really good eye when it comes to thrift shopping. So when she showed this to me, I was like, I have to get this. This is so pretty, and honestly, I just really like plants like this. And the funny thing is, the room makeover that I'm gonna be doing, the inspo picture that I saved on my phone literally has the exact same plant in the room. So when I saw this, I just had to get it. So this was also $20, which surprisingly, like, shouldn't be. It should be a lot cheaper just because the previous plant is so much bigger in size, and that was $20. So this one at least should have been like $15. But regardless, I still think that this is a really good deal because I swear to God, I saw the same plant for like around $100 somewhere. I'm gonna try to find a picture to prove it to you guys, but I think that this plant is actually so pretty. Let me know if you don't think so, but I definitely will be styling this somewhere in my house very soon, hopefully in my new room makeover video. So the next 2 items that I got are both 2 mirrors. Now I got them from 2 different locations. I wouldn't have gotten both of them if I like didn't go to those 2 locations. So the first one that I got is this white one. I'll just insert a clip here. This is so pretty, and again, my idea was to use this in the new bedroom makeover, so that's why I got it. Again, this is a very pretty mirror, and this was $20. Again, a little more on the expensive side, but still, for this mirror, I would even pay $30. Like, I don't care. It's so pretty. The second mirror that I got is probably my most favorite mirror, and my sister found this. Again, as I said, she has a really good eye when it comes to thrift shopping, and someone was actually, I think, hiding it. Like, she found it under a couch. So again, always make sure you're literally checking every single corner of a thrift store because you just don't know what you're gonna find. So this mirror is actually a lot lighter than the first one because it's actually a little, it's plastic, whereas the other mirror was more of like the trim was wood, so it was more on the heavier side. And the gold mirror was also a lot cheaper too. It was $14. So that to me is a steal for that mirror. It's so pretty. So yeah, that was my haul, you guys. I hope you enjoyed. I definitely enjoyed thrift shopping after so long. I don't even know when we're gonna be out of lockdown here in Toronto, but definitely hit up a few thrift stores if you have the time because you will find some really good things. I'm telling you guys. So a few tips that I would give you guys when it comes to thrift shopping is that first thing is don't be discouraged by just going to one location. Trust me, I went to so many freaking locations and I found all of these things. So pro tip, always visit multiple locations if you can. If they're in your area, definitely hit up multiple locations because you will find different things at different locations. Second tip is definitely check out their photo frame section because if you are in need of big, larger frames, thrift store is the way to go. They have a really nice collection of frames. Also, like just anything in general, like if you are looking for some nice glassware, silverware, lamps, definitely check out thrift stores because they usually have really nice ones. And my third tip would be try to make a list or have like something in mind that you are looking for specifically because that will make your life so much easier when you are shopping. And I do this a lot too, like as you saw, like everything that I bought in this haul are mostly for my room makeover, so I kind of had that in mind that I was gonna go shop for my upcoming project. And I tried not to buy things that I didn't need because I did find really cool stuff in the thrift store, but I just chose not to buy them just because I didn't really need them. So always make sure you kind of have an idea on what you're looking for. That way you don't waste a lot of time and you will find the right things for your home. And now that I've talked for so long, I'm finally done. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know down below what are your favorite thrift stores to visit. Please don't say Value Village and the Salvation Army thrift store because those are the only two thrift stores I know and I go to. If you know of any cool mom and pop thrift stores or just any nice thrift stores in your area, in your city, in Toronto especially, let me know down below and I would love to check it out. But yeah, without talking any further, I'm gonna say bye. Please subscribe to my channel, like this video, and share with your friends. Anyone you know who loves thrift shopping, just share it with them. And until then, bye!